All right, welcome friends. Today in Math with Mr. K, I'm going to teach you all about two-dimensional, or sometimes called 2D shapes. We'll look at each shape, say its name, and then name some attributes or things that make shapes special and different from one another, like how many corners or sides a shape has. If you know all of your 2D shapes, you'll be able to recognize them in the real world and even start looking at how things are the same and different based on its shape. Let's take a look at our first shape. Our first shape is the circle. This is a circle. You draw it just like this. What is the name of the shape? Yes, the name of the shape is a circle. A circle can look like a giant pizza or even the pepperonis on a pizza. Those are circles. Can you name something that is a circle? You can say, is a circle. Now, a circle is special for many reasons. A circle has no corners, 0 corners. Remember that corners are the pointy parts of our shapes. There's no corners on a circle. Now, sides. Let's take a look at how many sides a circle has. Oh, well, a circle has 0 straight sides. So no straight sides, but it does have 1 continuous round side. Because if you start here, it's 1 continuous round side that keeps going on forever. So it's 1 round side. Let's take a look at the circle. How do you know this shape is a circle? Take a look. You can start thinking, I know this is a circle because... Great job. All right, our next shape is a rectangle. What's it called? A rectangle. A what? A rectangle. This is a rectangle. The name of the shape is a rectangle. Now, a rectangle has 2 short sides, 1, 2, and 2 long sides, 1, 2. So 2 short sides plus 2 long sides equals 4 sides, straight sides altogether. And they're straight because they're not round like a circle. So they're straight sides. Let's count the corners in a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a rectangle has 4 corners. A rectangle can sometimes look like a window, or even this whiteboard. Can you name something that looks like a rectangle? Looks like a rectangle. Let's take a look at the rectangle. How do you know that this is a rectangle? You can say, I know it's a rectangle because... Great job. All right, our next shape is a triangle. This is a triangle. What is this shape? Triangle. The name of the shape is a triangle. A triangle can sometimes look like a tortilla chip or also even the top of a roof. Can you name something that looks like a triangle? Is a triangle. Well, a triangle is special for many reasons. Let's first count the corners. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 corners in a triangle. Easy trick to remember is tri means 3. What does tri mean? 3. Let's count the sides. Now first we have to see if they're round or straight. Oh, they're straight sides. Let's count how many straight sides a triangle has. 1, 2, 3. Wow. 3 straight sides. Let's take a look at the triangle. How do you know it's a triangle? You can say, I know it's a triangle because Great job. Let's take a look at our next shape. This is a square. What is this shape called? It is a square. The name of the shape is a square. A square looks like these pieces of cloth cut right here. It can also look like a window sometimes. Can you name something that looks like a square? A is a square. Now, a square is special for many reasons. Let's count how many corners it has. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has 4 corners. Now let's take a look at their sides. Well, it's not round, straight. Let's count how many straight sides a square has. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more thing that makes a square special is all 4 straight sides of a square are equal. That means that they're the same size. So I like to write 4 equal sides. Let's take a look at the square. How do you know this shape is a square? You can say, I know it's a square because... Great job. On to our next shape. This is a hexagon. What is it? A hexagon. The name of this shape is a hexagon. A hexagon can look like the little parts of a beehive inside the honeycomb. Can you name something that is a hexagon? Is a hexagon. Now, drawing a hexagon is very tricky, but the trick I like to use is first you draw a square. Then on the left side, you draw a triangle. I'll use these dots to help me. And on the right side, you draw another triangle. So a hexagon is special because you can put 2 triangles and 1 square together. Hexagon. Now, let's count how many corners a hexagon has. It's special for many reasons, but let's count the corners first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 corners. Now let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are they round or straight? Oh, they're straight. They're not round. So a hexagon has 6 straight sides. Let's take a look at the hexagon. How do you know that this is a hexagon? You can say, I know this is a hexagon because... Great job. All right, on to the next shape. This is a rhombus. What is it? A rhombus. Now, some people like to call it a diamond, but now that you're big kids and all grown up, you call it a rhombus. A rhombus can sometimes look like a diamond, and sometimes you might see it in patterns on windows, just like this right here. Can you name something that looks like a rhombus? Is a rhombus. Now, a rhombus is special for many reasons. Let's take a look at how rhombuses are special. Now, rhombuses are really tricky to draw, but my trick is to do 2 triangles. 2 triangles can make a rhombus. Watch me. Number 1 and number 2. It's kind of like 2 ice cream cones on top of each other. Let's count how many corners a rhombus has. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 corners. Now let's take a look at the sides. Well, a rhombus has straight sides, not round sides like a circle. Let's count how many straight sides a rhombus has. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 straight sides. Let's take a look at the rhombus. How do you know that this is a rhombus? You can say, I know this is a rhombus because... Great job. And on to our last 2D shape. This is a trapezoid. What is the name of this shape? A trapezoid. Yes, the name of the shape is a trapezoid. A trapezoid can sometimes look like a bridge. Can you name something that is a trapezoid? Is a trapezoid. Now, a trapezoid is special for many reasons, and it's sometimes also tricky to draw. So before we found out the corners, the sides, and what makes it special, let's draw it. Easy way to draw a trapezoid is one rectangle. So a rectangle is two short sides, two long sides. And then, once we have the rectangle, we're gonna draw a triangle. Two triangles on each side. One triangle, two triangle. So a trapezoid can be made with two triangles and one rectangle. Now that we drew it, let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Let's look at its sides. Well, they're not round, they're straight sides. Let's count how many straight sides a trapezoid has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trapezoid has 4 straight sides. Let's take a look at the trapezoid. How do you know this is a trapezoid? You can say, I know this is trapezoid because... Great job.